In light of our Ethereum forecast 2023, the ETH cost could run somewhere in the range of $1,607 and $3,904. The typical cost of Ethereum may be around $2,755 during 2023. According to our Ethereum forecast 2025, ETH is supposed to reach up to the greatest degree of $6,564 and with a base cost of $4,559. By 2030, Ether is gauged to reach up to the greatest value level of $20,643 with a base cost of $14,340. Ethereum, ETH, the world's second biggest cryptographic money, stands apart as one of the most complete and enrapturing blockchain stages accessible today. Past being seen simply as a digital currency, Ethereum is exceptionally respected by crypto lovers for its significant natural worth and capacity to give financial backers one-of-a-kind procuring valuable open doors. In this Ethereum cost expectation, we will dig into what's in store possibilities of ETH and evaluate whether Ethereum will recuperate to its unsurpassed high in the forthcoming years. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum, the world's second biggest digital money and biggest altcoin, goes past being a crypto token. It is prestigious for its strong highlights and inventive blockchain arrangements, drawing in interest even outside the crypto local area. As an open-source blockchain with brilliant agreement usefulness, Ethereum is generally used in the field of DeFi. Ethereum isn't simply a digital money, it likewise works as an organization kept up with by validators who procure Ether, ETH, for their commitments. We project that Ethereum could arrive at above $20,000 by 2030, a chance upheld by elements like its novel model, expansive market system, versatility arrangements, and authority in decentralized applications. Vitalik Buterin presented Ethereum in a 2013 white paper, and in 2014, he and other Prime supporters got subsidizing for the undertaking. They brought $18.3 million up in Bitcoin through an ICO, where more than 60 million Ether were sold at a cost of $0.311. The Ethereum establishment authoritatively sent off the blockchain on July 30, 2015, with the model codenamed Wilderness. From that point forward, Ethereum has gone through a few organization refreshes. These incorporate Constantinople on February 28, 2019, Istanbul on December 8, 2019, Muir Glacial Mass on January 2, 2020, Berlin on April 14, 2021, and most as of late, the London hard fork on August 5, 2021. Ethereum's essential goal is to set up a good foundation for itself as a worldwide stage for dApps, empowering clients overall to make and execute programming that is strong to oversight, personal time, and false exercises. Ethereum 2.0. From POW to POS last year, Ethereum effectively carried out the consolidation, a hotly anticipated and exceptionally expected specialized change. Previously known as Ethereum 2.0, this change included changing from the energy-escalated confirmation of work (POW) agreement component to the more supportable evidence of stake (POS) model. The objective was to address worries about the natural effect of digital currencies and work on the adaptability of the Ethereum organization. An agreement-based blockchain intends to dispense with the prerequisite for incorporated middle people to approve exchanges. Nonetheless, without certifiable decentralization, the inquiry emerges concerning whether Ethereum's different difficulties are beneficial. Ethereum is notable for blockage issues during occupied periods, bringing about postponed exchange handling and fluctuating gas charges. The consolidation has not tended to the calculation or burden of gas costs, which can turn out to be unreasonably high during top hours, making more modest exchanges more expensive for buyers, with normal everyday gas charges coming to almost $200 in May 2022. Shanghai, Shapella, redesigned the Shanghai hard fork denotes Ethereum's change from POW to POS, permitting clients to unstake their ETH through EIP 4895. Moreover, it acquaints upgrades with exchange effectiveness and decreased gas charges for decentralized applications, including EIP 3651, EIP 3855, and EIP 3860. Ethereum encountered a huge jump with the Capella redesign, which lined up with the Shanghai overhaul. Together, these progressions converge to make Shapella in the crypto local area. Beginning from April 12, this redesign empowered the arrival of around 18 million tokens worth $35 billion from marking contracts. Shockingly, rather than causing selling pressure and a potential cost decline, the overhaul started a convention in Ether's cost, coming to $2,100. How high will Ethereum go? Ethereum might contact $20,000 toward the finish of 2030, regardless of the new cost activity. The greater part of the crypto specialists are bullish on the eventual fate of Ethereum, and ETH might return up in the impending years. In light of the latest things, one of the principal justifications for why Ethereum is reflecting reach-bound exchanging was the series of forceful loan cost climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers were constantly stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, in this manner, searching for preferable choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. Notwithstanding, when Bitcoin at long last stretched around the $30K mark, the whole market saw a cost rise. Alongside that, the continuous reinforcing of the Ethereum organization and the group's obligation to creating imaginative elements, it is profoundly plausible that both ETH and its financial backers will encounter supported development and thriving in the present and the years to come. Presently, how about we investigate the drawn-out cost projections for Ethereum? In the year 2021, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers gigantic returns before the beginning of the new year. Be that as it may, in 2022, there was a critical drop in the cost for every one of the resources. As per different digital money specialists, Ethereum cost forecasts show that the worth of the ETH token might actually diminish to $354.602 toward the finish of 2023. Alternately, other Ether conjecture projects that the ETH coin can possibly arrive at its most significant level at $6,567.52 toward the finish of 2025. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for speculation for dealers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Presently, how about we investigate the ETH expectations for this and impending years? Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. In light of the specialized examination and cost variances, Ethereum cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,755 in 2023. In correlation, the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,607 and $3,904, according to our ETH cost forecast. ETH value expectation for August 2023. As per our Ethereum cost estimate, the cost of ETH could arrive at a high of $3,177 in August 2023, contingent upon the general market opinion. On the drawback, the cost of Ethereum is supposed to reach $2,396 quite soon. Ethereum value expectation for September 2023. Ethereum cost for September 2023, according to our expectation, could reach up to the greatest degree of $3,485, with a base cost of $2,505. ETH figure for October 2023. As per our Ethereum cost estimate, we expect the base value level may be around $2,596. Toward the finish of October 2023, we anticipate that the cost of Ethereum should stretch around $3,722. Ethereum value gauge for November 2023. In light of our Ether estimate, we anticipate the base cost level for Ethereum to float around $2,687. Looking forward to the furthest limit of